Hey trader, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you will find the most profitable and straightforward strategies for trading binary options, especially if you're new in trading. Today I'll show you a very intriguing set of indicators, so watch this video till the end. And let's get down to trading, guys. We got 40 bucks on the balance today. We open position on a 1 minute time frame as usual. We are gonna make some good money. All the counter players haven't picked, and let's pick the indicators. Today we will use the Bollinger Bands in combination with the RSI. First of all, set the period to 13 and deviation 2 of the Bollinger. What concerns to the RSI, let's set the period to 20 and keep the oversold and overbought zones as they are. I mean 30 and 70. In order to catch more signals, because we trade on a 1 minute time frame, and let's not drag this out any longer and let's get started. Find the most promising trade entry. So here looks like a good trade entry, that's why we should open a long position. I'll point out the workspace. Look, we look only at the Bollinger Bands here. Don't pay attention to the RSI now, because some kind of a flat was formed here. We pointed out the support zone. The price went upwards every time after touching it. Also, there was a touch of the lower boundary of the channel, which is the main signal. And when we see this happening, the price goes to the upside in most of the cases. There are 20 seconds left before the closing. I am more than sure that this one will be in profits. And the first position has been closed in profits, guys. There is no stopping here. Let's find another counter player. Let's continue analyzing. Well, look, there was a touch of the upper boundary of the channel, which is a bearish signal, guys. But actually, the correction is happening here. That's why we better open a long position here. Let me explain it in more detail. The RSI hasn't crossed the overbought zone yet, but actually we see the upward dynamics here, and in theory the price should go up. We see the updating here, and the price was going even higher, so we can conclude that the positive dynamics should take place, and here is a small correction after which the price should move up. So look at this pullback, guys. Exactly as I predicted. I'm absolutely sure that this one will end up in profits. Meanwhile, the second position had been closed in profits. Let's refresh the page. So, and let's carry on the trading session and find the next counter pair. Let's continue analyzing, and of course we have to update the trade amount. By the way, here is a nice trade entry for a long. I'll point out the workspace and explain the principle of the trade entry. We don't look at the RSI now because we have a franc flat on the counter pair. The price goes sideways like this. And basically we should pay attention to the zone that touches the low boundary to happen, and we are expecting the breakout to the upside. No big deal, guys. So the touch did happen, we notice the signal, open to position and fix the profit. And there we go. Let's update the trade amount. So let's continue analyzing. So what do we got here? We see the touch of the upper boundary of the channel, and I think this is a good selling signal because there was a huge pump here, then a little correction, so we have the double touch of the upper boundary. And basically this is our main signal for opening a short. We can see that the price rejected from this level in the past, and now we could see the same thing. I'm okay with price movement so far. And while we are waiting for the outcome, please leave the comment down below, share your thought with me. What do you think about the strategy? Maybe you want me to show you how to use other indicators or how to trade on other time frame. So I really appreciate your feedback, guys, and your support really cheers me up, guys. Meanwhile, another position had been closed on profits. Look at the balance, guys. We got $444, so there is no stopping here. Let's continue our trading session. We've already opened here early, so we see this downward dynamics price touch on the upper boundary of the channel, and this is a bear signal. That's why we open a short position here according to our strategy. So this is our signal. Actually, we don't count on the RSI now because the flat dominates here, and we shouldn't expect anything good from this moving coverage. It won't help us. We opened our position ahead of the market, and the breakdown is expected in the end. There are around 15 seconds left before the closing, and let's just watch the price movement. Our position has been closed in profits. We got $800 on the balance, and let's make it up to $2,000 today because it's a late hour, low volatility on the market. It is pointless to gamble here. We don't want to lose our money. So let's get this over with quick and find the next currency pair. And let's continue analyzing. Also, we need to update the trade amount. And here I see good trade entry for long, guys. Let me explain the principle. First of all, look at this huge correction to the downside, the touch of the lower boundary of the channel. However, the touch of the upper boundary hasn't happened yet. Here another correction followed up. Basically, if we point out this level, the updating has happened here. The price entered the price range, then there was a small pullback, and considering that the touching of the upper boundary hasn't happened yet, the price should go up, and we can also see the positive dynamics on the other side. That's why we open a long was the only option here. So far so good. I'd like to see the candle to close a little higher. The candle has closed at a good level. That's exactly what we needed, and the price keeps on moving up, and our position had been closed with a profit. Let's refresh the page, put down the maximum trade amount, and let's open the final position in order to consolidate our profit. we need to find the next currency pair. Oh, let's open a long right away. Fantastic trade entry. We were lucky to find this one. I'll draw the trend line. I think no explanation necessary. We see the updating of the local low, a touch of the low boundary of the channel, good correction, while having the upper dynamics we open the long guys, following the trend direction, which actually gives us more credit that this one will be a win. That's why we opened the long position, guys. Actually the price went down a little bit, but we are gonna wait for the breakout at the end. And our position is in profits, guys, exactly as I predicted. We've managed to catch a good timing, so here we go. This is where we stop for today. I'm happy with such outcome, considering the fact that we started from 40 bucks dollars. Let's withdraw the money. Let it be $2,200. Press the continue button. So transaction is being processed. I'll touch the screen as usual. That's what we've managed to reach today by using these indicators. I'm waiting for your feedback. Guys, leave the comments down below, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Good luck on trading. Bye bye.